Priya. Today topic is low birth weight baby. It means LBW. First of all, introduction. Most newborn baby are born between 38 and 40 weeks gestational and weight 6 to 8 points, but varies in a birth weight or gestational age can be occur. And newborn with these variations have a special needs because low birth weight baby special needs gestational age at the birth is a inversely correlated with the risks that infant will experience physical, neurological, or development sequential. Some newborn are very ill and need special advanced care to the survive. The development of newborn technology and the reorganized care centers for the care of the newborn baby with the special needs are resulting in a significant improvement. Nurse needs to have a sound knowledge base to identify the newborn with the special needs and provide the coordinated care. Next definition low birth weight baby. An infant whose birth weight is less than 2.5 kg regardless of gestational age is called low birth weight baby. Then incidence. In India, over 30% infants born are low birth weight baby. Nearly 20% of all babies born in India have a birth weight less than 2.5 kg compared with the normal birth weight baby. Normal birth weight baby 3.5 kg. This is the more prevalent among them more than urban mother with the 25% of the baby born in the urban areas compared to the 14.7% in a rural area. Nearly 75% of the neonatal death and 50% of infant death occur among the low birth weight baby neonates. Next, classification according to the size. Low birth weight baby infant whose birth weight less than 2.5 gram regardless of gestational age called low birth weight baby. Different types of the low birth weight baby. First, very low birth weight baby, extremely low birth weight baby, and low birth weight baby. First, very low birth weight baby infant birth weight less than 2.5 kg. Then extremely low birth weight baby less than 1000 gram. It means 1 kg. Next, etiology have a higher incidence of prematurity than following are the causes of the preterm baby. First, the main causes of the low birth weight baby first of all low socioeconomic status, poor nutrition level, lack of prenatal care, multiple pregnancy, previously year birth, then cigarette smoking, the age of the mother. Next one, management of the preterm or low birth weight baby. Preterm baby, it means to born less than 37 weeks to gestational age. Normally gestational age completed 37 to 40 weeks. It means 9 months completed. First, principles of the management care at the birth, suitable place of the delivery in a utero, transfer to the place with the optimum facility if a low birth weight baby delivery is the anticipated, prevention of the hypothermia because low birth weight baby very risk for the hypothermia it means decrease of the temperature. Birth weight baby 1500 gram to 1800 gram secondary level newborn unit birth weight. Next one, management to provide basic care for the low birth weight baby. First, all newborn baby have a 8 priority need for the first few days of the life because first few of the life the baby is the suffering from the infection, unhygienic maintain like especially cause the infections initially and maintain of the respiration establish of the extrauterine circulations will be started immediately after the birth as soon as the possible early started by the breastfeeding within a 1.5 hour, then maintain the temperature, open the ERB, the control of the body, intake of adequate nourishment, establish of the best eliminations will be avoided, preventions of the infection, because so many chances of the infection occur in the first life of the newborn baby. Establish of the infant parents relationship will be maintained, especially bonding of the mother and the child. Then development care for care the balance physiological needs and the stimulations of for the mental development, because the mental development especially need for the newborn baby is the growth is the important, because growth is a growth, the increase of the size of the baby, then development is the physiologically development of the baby. Thank you.